Hi my healthy people, welcome back to Maxie's Corner. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to be giving you a few tips on how to go vegan. Yes. Hey, but before I get started, I want to let you guys know that I do have a 21-day weight loss challenge coming up, and that's going to be starting, wait, I can't remember. Listen, my memory's not that good. I am getting a little old, so let me look at my phone. It's going to be starting July 5th, and it's going to be going until July 26, 2018. July 5th is perfect because it's right after July 4th, and I know what you guys do on July 4th. Yes, I do. If you want to find out more about the 21-day weight loss challenge, I'm going to be leaving a link down below where you can shoot me a message and I will tell you everything you need to know in regards to the 21-day weight loss challenge. Okay, secondly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Hit that little thing that says subscribe. It's red, and don't forget to hit the bell because that's how you're gonna get your notifications. Okay, let's get into our beginner's guide to going vegan. Now, a lot of you have been asking me this question, Maxine, how do I become vegan and not fall off the wagon? Now, I want you to keep in mind that everyone is different, and by no means I am telling everyone to become vegan. This video is for those of you who want to eat healthy as well, want to feel great, have lots of energy, and possibly lose some weight. If you're doing veganism the right way, you will definitely have a lot of energy. You will definitely lose weight because you're not having all the saturated fat. With that being said, going vegan is not easy for everyone. I want you to focus on the foods that you can eat and not focus on the foods that you cannot eat. Because a lot of times we focus on the foods that we can't eat. Oh my God, I can't have ice cream again. No way. There's so many different ice creams that you can have. It's outrageous. Because veganism has become such a trend, there's so many places that you can go and find vegan food. If you're someone that's always on the road, believe it or not, if you like the fast food, which I'm not a fan of, but if you type in Taco Bell vegan, Chipotle vegan, McDonald's vegan, there's so many vegan options in these places. It's outrageous. And even if you go out to eat with your family, you don't have to say to yourself, what am I gonna have, just a salad? You could get a veggie burger, right? Excellent. Once again, like I said, I am not a big fan of fast food, but if you're on the run and you need to grab something really fast, I don't want you to think to yourself that you can't go vegan because you're always on the road. Secondly, I don't want you to say to yourself that eating vegan is so expensive, because honestly, it's really not. Actually, it's one of the cheapest way to eat. If you go to your grocery store and you shop the perimeters, you will see how easy and how cheap it is to shop, and how many different foods you can find, how many different foods you can buy. And once again, I want you to also learn how to make a few different dishes. Now, once you learn how to make a few different dishes, those could be your go-to meals. Now, as time goes by, you need to broaden your horizon a little bit. Maxine's Corner has great meal ideas. You can also go to Pinterest, type in vegan meals, and you will see a variety of meals. I also have Pinterest, so you can also go on Maxine's Corner and Pinterest. YouTube, forget about it, an overwhelming amount of meals to make. Veganism has become such a trend now. There's so many people doing it that you don't have to worry about what you're gonna eat. If you fall off the wagon, get back on. Slow and steady wins the race. I just want you to understand that veganism is a lifestyle, and once you do this, your body is going to feel great. You're going to have more energy to do a lot more things. Most vegans do have to take a vitamin B12, but before you start taking any vitamins, please consult with your doctor, take a blood test, find out what vitamins you're deficient in, if any at all. Now, the reasons why vegans do have to take a vitamin B12 is because most of the vitamin B12s are from animal byproducts. And because we're not eating animal byproducts, we may have to supplement our vegan diet with a B12 vitamin. And some of us may have low iron, but you may not, especially if you stick to your green leafy vegetables. You should be okay. All right, but do take your blood test to find out if you are deficient in any vitamins. With that being said, going vegan is not hard at all. Some people go vegan cold turkey. Some people just cut out dairy at first. Then from there, they would start cutting out chicken, and then they will start cutting out fish. So you can take it one step at a time. I do believe slow and steady wins the race. You don't have to go crazy. If you're the type that feels that you can do it cold turkey and just wake up tomorrow and say, yes, I'm going vegan, that's great. But for some people, it's not that easy. So once again, you can start off by just cutting out dairy at first, then start cutting out fish. You know, just take your time. And once again, veganism is not for everyone. I'm not preaching to you to become vegan. I'm giving you some ideas on how to become vegan if this is a lifestyle that you would like to try. All right, guys, so that's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We also have our 21-day weight loss challenge, which is going to be coming up on the 5th, July 5th, and I would like everyone to participate. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You're gonna lose weight, you're gonna have some more energy, and it's just, you know, it's just great. All right, so if you are interested in signing up for the 21-day weight loss challenge, I have a link down below, and I can send you more information about it. Once again, if you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If there's an idea, something that you want me to make on Maxine's Corner, a video you would like for me to do, feel free to leave the comment down below in the comment sections, and I will definitely do my best to make it for you. There's a lot of great things coming up, and I want to thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. And what? Say it. Stay healthy.